2-2, but he still needs to find over 2 tenths to take pole away from Marquez. Look at this from Maverick Vinales as well. Binder lost a whole chunk of time in the third and fourth splits. Will track the South African over the line. He can't improve on 6th place. Last flying lap coming in for him. But here comes Maverick Vinales, the Top Gun firing. Lost a bit of time in that third sector. But at the moment, Vinales in 9th place.
Matt Quartararo was on a good lap, only a couple of tenths down, rolled out of it. Must have been a mistake or someone in his way. Now is his last chance to improve.
Vinales, he was pushing hard the front end of that Aprilia, wasn't he? Into the 90-degree corner, a bit of a twitch on the front end. He has to make this lap count because the checkered flag is out. Oliveira's crash has proven costly because he's off the front row now in 4th place. Maverick Vinales goes up in the 3rd. Great late charge then by the Spaniard on the factory Aprilia. A 1:55.620 has pushed Vinales onto the front row in 3rd place. Brad Binder's had a superb first sector again on his current lap. Fastest first sector by nearly a tenth of a second. Nothing at the moment going for Jack Miller. He's down in 4th place. There's going to be no all-Ducati lockout of the front row for the 4th race in succession here in 2022.
But Brad Binder's having another go, trying to put it together.
This would be awesome by Binder. He's absolutely mullered the first 2 sectors. He's nearly 3 tenths up the South African. You can see his name there, bottom of your picture. Up by nearly 3 tenths right now is Binder on the factory KTM. Marquez is 1:55.214, has pole. Zarco runs wide then. Zarco, the best he can hope for is going to be 2nd place. Jorge Martin in 4th. Here comes Binder. He's lost time in that 3rd sector. It seems like sector 3 is the problem sector for all the rides on this lap. Another twitch on the front end there for Binder. He's going all in here, isn't he, as you'd expect. Binder, the former Moto3 world champion, then through the final couple of corners, turn 13. He'll bank it hard right now for 14. Is Brad Binder going to get himself on the front row of the grid here in Motogp? Over the line, he'll come very, very shortly. Bit of wheelie out the victory corner. Over the line he comes. He does get on the front row. Brad Binder with a 1:55.537. Brilliant by the 27-year-old. That would be Brad Binder's first front row start in the Motogp World Championship. Fabio Quartararo takes the checkered flag. That is it. Game over. Marquez is back. He takes pole position for the first time in 3 years. The smiles are back on the faces of Alberto Puig and Takeo Yokoyama.